What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I'm back with another Hbar update for you guys. Thank you for helping me reach 100 likes on the last Hbar video. Let's push for that again today. Please, if you're new to the channel, which over 50% of you are, we're on the road to 5k. Let's try and hit that as soon as we can. So I'd really appreciate if you could help us along the journey, as well as leaving a like and a comment under this video. Now for Hbar, if you're not aware, we've been talking about this specific point as the level we cannot lose whatsoever. The reason is in the past, can you see we got above this purple and this orange EMA, but we ran into this white one, which sent us below this. Can you see, if I zoom in, we actually formed something called a bullish cross, which means we should see further upside if this continues to hold. And unfortunately, we lost it, creating another cross, a bearish one. And this actually signals that now we should see downside. But forget the bearish cross for now. I just want you to simply realize we were above them, got rejected by this one, which pushed us below these ones, these EMAs, and that sent us below these lows. We actually went lower than that. So the same thing should happen over here, where we run into it and we should lose these lows. And so the same thing should happen here. When we run into it, we should lose these lows, which did not happen. When we came all the way down to there, we did not lose that low. So something changed at that very point. So this is why this is my point of interest, the point of most interest to me. If I'm losing this, I know we're going to see that continuation of this long-term downtrend. However, if we're not closing below this, we're not going to see that downtrend. I urge you all to go check out my Bitcoin updates. That is the most important crypto. It doesn't matter if you're not in Bitcoin itself. It's going to tell you where Hbar is going or whatever alt you're in. As long as Bitcoin's holding a certain key level, then Hbar will do so. It is this point. It is the same for basically all altcoins, essentially. Just try and find that low. And as long as we're closing daily candles above that, we should not see this bearish scenario. We have been talking about the bearish scenario on the channel. Of course, as long as we're above this low, I'm going to be on the bullish side. But if we ever close below this, then of course I'm going to keep saying we're going down, we're going down. So the first pattern which we've spoken about previously on the channel is this shoulder, head, shoulder over here, or whatever, shoulder, head, shoulder. This is your neckline, and if we ever close below the neckline, our pattern's target is 4 cents, but a quick stop off before that around the 1618 target, because you've got a wick over here, and essentially you're trying to fill that in with this pattern, this head and shoulders. However, there's another pattern that could take out this low. So another larger pattern which is trying to send us to fill in this wick is this much larger descending triangle. That's got a target of around 3 cents if you're measuring from those wicks. Some people would say they'd rather put the triangle like that. It doesn't really matter, as long as you know that this downtrend, all this line is a downtrend, and you've drawn a horizontal line and you've seen them meet, and so you know where they meet, you're going to get a break up or down before this. So this is the date, the 13th of November or 12th of November. Just know before the 12th of November, we will get a decision whether Hbar does actually want to close below 5.7 cents and head down to these bearish targets, or will it actually, before the 12th of November, break the resistance, confirm this whole key green box as support. That's around 6.1 cents, getting above the 55 and the 20. Kickstarting this uptrend where we need to take out this high, which is this gold box. Once we are above this, then yeah, we're heading back to the high here. Oh, Abby's cooking some lasagna. It smells absolutely amazing. I just got a whiff of it upstairs in the office. But carrying on with Hbar, yeah, once we are above this gold box, which is around 7 cents, then we're going to head back to 8.5 cents. This is what we've actually been saying on the channel for a long while now. It's just, yeah, we're just simply waiting for these days and weeks to go by for this final confirmation, which is again before the 12th of November, guys. We're going to get this decision. So rather than just holding out for the downside, prepare for the upside in case, and rather than just holding out for the upside, prepare for the downside in case. So this is what we do on the channel. If you're not aware, if you're new, I try to pick out both scenarios for you guys so you're never kept in the dark with what's going on in the market. And this is why it's vital to check in to those Bitcoin updates, which do come out as the first video every single day, apart from weekends. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Hbar. Please like, subscribe and comment. It's all going to happen before the 12th of November. We're either going to see this downside to these 4 to 3 cent targets, or we're actually going to see this double bottom slash inverse head and shoulders, which could actually take us, if we do break out around here, it's going to take us to around 10 cents as our technical target. That's pretty much it for today's update. I do also have education available. That's all over my Twitter, where I posted some very key things over the last few days about the market, especially today's update. How we were basically going over last week, we were calling for a dump to about 18.6k and then a pump from there, which is now what we've seen, and we're just going over that on Twitter. So yeah, thank you guys. Go follow me on Twitter, turn the notification bells on for both of them, but please do subscribe and help us grow the channel to 5k subscribers. Leave a comment, again like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.